If you want to get Link to Windows on Redmi 15, all you have to do is simply go to the Play Store. Over here we're gonna go to Search, and then at the top we can tap on this Search field, and now we can just simply write a Link to Windows. There we go. Here is the app, and we can press install in order to install it on our smartphone. And after that, once you open, you should be able to follow the instructions to connect your Redmi 15 to your computer. So let's see if it works, if we can actually open. Let's see if we can get sign in options. There we go. So most likely you want to use this QR code in order to sign into your Microsoft account, and the QR code you can get on your computer. More specifically, you will have to open Phone Link app on your Windows, which is pre-installed, and then you can generate the QR code. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.